Hi everyone, this is David from Benchmark. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an offset arc in case you want to do a consistent distance offset from a corner. You can see here that I already have my offset line created, and it has an angle, a hard angle in there that I want to get rid of because obviously between 6 and 13 is not going to be the same offset as 4 to 15 or 10 to 9 on the other side. And I want to create a consistent distance all the way around this first line on the right that I have. So in order to do that, I'm going to open up the main menu and I'm going to go to Calculations and then Offset Intersection. What that's going to let me do is choose 0.6 and then choose a distance, which I'm going to do 6.5 minus 90. So in this case, a perfect 90-degree angle to that line from 6 to 5, 0 offset. And I'm going to go from point 13 and along the 13-14 line. That's going to create the point right there, and that's going to be, let me just get rid of these letters here. That point is going to be exactly 10 meters from point 6. So I'll just hit the check mark. And now I'm going to do the same on the other side. So this time I'm going to do, it's 90 degrees off of the 6 to 7 line. And I'm going to create this point number 21 here. And once that's created, that point is also exactly 10 meters from point 6. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and delete these two line segments that are a little too far away. And I'm going to redraw my line here. So I'm going to click point 12 and click on my pencil. I'm going to do a straight line to point 21, change this to a clockwise arc, and I'm going to put the center point as point 6 and the end point is point 20. Then I'm going to go back to straight line, go to point 14 and close that. Now you can see I have this arc here. So if I just go ahead and delete point 13, I now have a consistent line that's going to be 10 meters from every spot on my original line, and I can stake that out if I want to. That's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us online at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.